number 13 is change is not a bad thing. Change is often hard to accept because we get comfortable with the status quo. However, I believe change is a good thing, as illustrated by this story of the transformation of the workforce at NASA from the 60s to today. Let's see if you agree. For an easy read on change, I recommend the book entitled Who Moved My Cheese by Spencer Johnson. This book, more than any other, helps you realize that change is inevitable and we need not delay it or discourage it, but rather embrace it. To set the stage for how it was in 1969, I thought we'd share a couple of images of the Apollo spacecraft as it lifted off the pad. On the right, you will notice the plume of this awesome vehicle and how its color is orange to black. This is because the first stage burned liquid oxygen and kerosene. This is noticeably different than the shuttle main engines, which burn liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen. This makes for a very clean burn and results in a water vapor plume, H2O. That point has nothing to do with this story, just an interesting fact. On the left, you see the view the people had in the Launch Control Center, or LCC, as Apollo 11 lifted off. Look carefully and you can actually see the vehicle. I like this image because of its historical significance. So as you look back at the consoles in the LCC, you see a room full of people who just launched Apollo 11 and know she is on her way to allow man, for the first time, to literally walk on the moon. What a thrill it must have been to be a part of that team. Can you imagine? Do you notice anything odd about this image? In this sea of engineers, technicians, and managers, we see all men except one. That person shown with the yellow highlight is Joanne Morgan, and she was the only female in the LCC that day. I recently spoke with her about this, and although she was very proud to be there, we all agree that the way it is today is much better. I conclude that, as the tip says, change is not a bad thing. In fact, it's a good thing. You might be interested to know that Joanne retired in 2003 as the Associate Director of the Kennedy Space Center. Just for fun, check out the row in front of Joanne and about 5 people to the right. Do you recognize Alan Shepard and Deke Slayton? These are 2 of the original 7 astronauts who worked in the LCC that day. A current view of the Shuttle Launch Control Center shows the new look of change. Rather than one woman in the LCC, we now see a room filled with men and women of all races, nationalities, ages, etc. As a point of interest, you will see up front the NASA administrator, Charlie Bolden, who is the first African-American administrator in the history of NASA. Charlie is shaking hands with one of NASA's finest, KSC Launch Director, Mike Leinbach. Another visible manifestation of change at KSC is this organization chart of senior leadership in 2011. Of the 22 people that report directly to the center director, 9 are now women. The senior management organization chart taken only 15 years earlier would have been much different.